In front of me is OPPO Reno 13FS, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, you need to open Play Store to download my favorite app I use while testing new devices. It's called DevCheck Device and System Info from Floor to Developer, and you can get it for free. After launching it, you'll be able to see all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!